Hi, KhoPhi here. Today I want to talk about my FPV drone, the EcoQuad one I have, and what the setup looks like. So I have the Moto F4 HD version. It's actually the stack, so it comes with the flight controller and the ESC. These motors are, they call them the 3B Hobby. As you can see, these are the 3B Hobby, and it's a 2500 kV motor. The next on the item is, I think, the frame itself. So the frame is called FPV Freestyle frame. Then I have these blades, which are, they call them Ethics S5. So I think they are 5-inch blades, and that's how they look like. Then I have, as usual, the DJI FPV system, the air unit part of it. So that's what I have installed in here. Attached to it is the DJI antenna. I lost one, so I bought an extra antenna, which is this Fat Shack antenna you see here, and connected to the air unit through an adapter. So the Fat Shack connector, it's a beefy one. I needed an adapter to get that working, so that's what you can see here. Pretty much that is the basic outline of my FPV freestyle drone. With everything loaded and good to go, I think, as in at the point of flying, this thing weighs somewhere around 750 grams. Now I have these batteries as well. This is they call it the Tattoo LiPo batteries, and this is a 2300 milliamp hour battery. Attached to the drone, I can get up to somewhere 9 minutes of flight time. That's without a payload, and by payload I mean an action camera like the GoPro attached. So the GoPro is, which is what I'm recording on at the moment, it weighs around 200 grams. With that attached to this, then I will be looking at somewhere 900 grams during flight. This allows me to get up to a 9 minutes flight time. I have 3 of these. So the 2300 milliamp hour battery is three of this, and then I have 1300 milliamp hour battery as well, which is also from Tattoo, and this one is 100C, so you can see that, and this one is 45C. So I normally use this for powering the goggles, and this one for flying. But for the Holy Bro that I have, because of the size of it, I also sometimes attach this to it. This has not as much as flight time as this one gives me, obviously, but this one is also lighter in terms of weight. This battery weighs 224 grams. It's a bit heavy, but easily carried and moved around with these kind of FPV drones. So that's pretty much my setup that I have here. This frame and the build and the flight controller stack is what came in the box from South Africa from Flying Robot. So that's where I bought it from. I got these batteries from Pixel Electric in Kenya. And the other drone I have, which I'm not going to go into details because it's a Holy Bro Copies Cinewhoop. So you can find a link in the description to the entire setup and everything. So I've had to fine-tune it as well a little bit to my taste, and my taste is currently not the best, but flies good enough so far. You can find a link to all of this in the description below, and all the tiny pieces that comes together to make this. I didn't go into detail with all the screws and stuff like that. You can find that in the link in the description below. So another thing is I'm yet to do a full range test, but I was able to get 1.2 kilometers with this as at yesterday. So I think I can push it a little bit further. I need to have a bit more confidence in my drone at the moment, so I'm not trying to do any crazy things, at once. But it's able to go 1.2 kilometers easily. I think with positioning the antenna right and with, the right flying angle and stuff like that, I should be able to get the transmission going as far as probably 1.5 to 2 kilometers. I'm yet to try that out. I will look for probably a mountain somewhere and do the fly to test it out. In any case, that's the range I also get from using this setup I currently have. Thanks for joining me in this one. If you're interested in FPV videos and also starting up like I am doing and want to learn stuff like this, make sure to subscribe and also click the like button. Really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment section below and I'll definitely take a look at them. Thanks for joining me in this one, and that's my FPV setup. Hope to catch you in the next. Bye.